Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about the materials needed for a raised vegetable garden bed. Now, vegetable gardens come in all shapes and sizes, but the best vegetable gardens are grown in raised beds. There's great drainage and there's lots of sun that hits and the beds get nice and warm. When building a raised vegetable bed, make sure it's always in full hot sun, and there's very few materials that you need. First and most importantly, you need lots of composted material. Whether it's potting soil or compost, you need lots of soil and good drainage. And then you need some type of barrier for the raised beds. You can use river rock, you can use bricks, or you can use soil. It really doesn't matter. They all work really well. You can use wood along the outside, and you can cover it with bark dust, or you can just use soil itself. And then you need the plants or the seeds to start in your bed. But besides that, you really don't need any other materials because having a raised vegetable bed is really that easy.